Sound therapy operates on the principle that sound vibrations can affect our bodies at a cellular level. These vibrations stimulate the release of endorphins, our body's natural painkillers, and promote the relaxation response. Here are 3 techniques commonly utilized in sound therapy. Number 1. Sound massage. Sound massage involves the use of specific sound tools, such as Tibetan singing bowls or tuning forks, to create vibrations on and around the body. Number 2. Binaural beats. Binaural beats are an example of sound therapy created by playing 2 slightly different frequencies in each ear. This auditory illusion stimulates the brain, leading to the synchronization of brainwave patterns. Number 3. Music therapy. Music therapy involves the use of carefully selected music to address specific physical, emotional, or cognitive needs.